Hello guys, you're welcome back to chord progression. My name is John, aka Naijapianist. So, but before I move forward, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, and then after you hit the subscribe button, a bell will show. Make sure you hit that bell. It's very important. It will enable YouTube to notify you anytime I upload a new video. So God bless you as you do that. So power by Chinwo, okay? It's a very simple song. The chord progression is the same all through, okay? Except if you wanna do some substitution, okay? So it's just chord one and chord two only. Two and one and two. It's at the key of F major. So you go like this. The intro. If you like, I'll play this. This is the work of a bass guitar. Okay, that's what they did something like this. So this is do, la do re so, do, la do re so, do. They did a bit. They did a bit like this. La do re so, do, la do re so. The name of this beat in this year PSR Yamaha PSR E443. The name of the beat is, oh my God, it's a Chinese name. 151. It's Luogu. Logo Luogu. So if you want to use it, just go 151 logo, something like that. So you go like this. Do, la do re so. Do, la do re so. Do, no. That is it. And if there's a bass guitar, you can play it like reggae, like this. All the power, all the power belongs to Jesus. All the power belongs to Jesus. Devil no say you don't get level. All the power belongs to Jesus. Okay. So that's just all about the song. Let me don't prolong the clip too much. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Aha.